Look up in the sky. It's a fun flying animal quiz. Can you guess the animal just by its shadow? Let's get started and see how many you know. Here's our first shadow. What could this be? It has big, powerful wings. Is it an eagle? Yes, it's a bald eagle. Eagles are amazing birds of prey. They have a huge wingspan, sometimes over 7 feet wide. They build their nests, called eyries, high up in tall trees or on cliffs. Ready for the next one? Look at this colorful shadow. It has a curved beak. What do you think? It's a parrot. Parrots are known for their bright feathers and their ability to mimic sounds. They live in warm, tropical places and love to eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Ooh, who is this? This creature has big, round eyes and is usually awake at night. Did you guess an owl? That's right. Owls are nocturnal hunters. They can turn their heads almost all the way around, which helps them spot their prey in the dark. Hoot hoot! What about this tiny shadow fluttering so fast? It's a hummingbird. These little birds are incredible. Their wings beat so fast, up to 80 times per second, that they make a humming sound. They love to drink sweet nectar from flowers. Let's see this one. It's standing on one long leg. Do you know what it is? It's a flamingo. Flamingos get their beautiful pink color from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. They often stand on one leg to save body heat. Here's a tricky one. This bird has wings, but it doesn't fly. It's a penguin. Penguins are fantastic swimmers. They use their wings like flippers to move through the water. They live in cold places, mostly in the southern hemisphere. Look at the big pouch under this bird's beak. What could it be? It's a pelican. Pelicans use their throat pouch like a net to scoop up fish from the water. They can hold up to 3 gallons of water in that pouch. This shadow has a very large and colorful beak. Any ideas? It's a toucan. Toucans live in the rainforests of South America. Their big, bright beaks are surprisingly lightweight and help them reach fruit on branches that can't support their weight. Wow! Look at this magnificent shadow. It has a huge, fan-like tail. This is a peacock. The male peacock has that stunning tail, which he shows off to attract a mate. Those beautiful feathers can be up to 6 feet long. Here's a graceful shadow with a long, curved neck. Is it a swan? Yes, swans are large, beautiful water birds. They often mate for life and are known for their elegance as they glide across the water. This one loves the water too. You might see them at a pond. Quack, quack. It's a duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry and warm. They also have webbed feet, which are perfect for paddling in the water. Look! This shadow is soaring over the ocean. It must be a seagull. Seagulls are clever birds that live near coastlines. They are excellent flyers and can eat almost anything, from fish to discarded snacks on the beach. What about this dark shadow? You might hear it say caw, caw. It's a crow. Crows are very intelligent birds. They are known for their problem-solving skills and can even learn to use tools to get food. This little shadow is a common sight in many gardens. Do you know its name? It's a robin. Robins are famous for their cheerful songs and their reddish-orange chests. They love to eat worms and insects. Let's move on to some insects. This one has delicate, patterned wings. It's a butterfly. Butterflies start their lives as caterpillars and go through a magical transformation. They sip nectar from flowers using a long tongue called a proboscis. Here's another flying insect. It has 4 wings and a long body. It's a dragonfly. Dragonflies are amazing flyers. They can hover in one spot, fly backwards, and reach incredible speeds. They love to be near ponds and streams. This next one is a very busy little creature. Buzz buzz. It's a bee. Bees are super important because they help pollinate flowers, which helps plants grow fruits and vegetables. They live together in a hive and make delicious honey. What's this cute little bug with spots on its back? It's a ladybug. Ladybugs are a type of beetle. Gardeners love them because they eat tiny pests that can harm plants. The number of spots on a ladybug doesn't tell you its age, but can help you identify the species. Okay, this next one is not a bird or an insect. It's a mammal that can fly. It's a bat. Bats are nocturnal and use a special sense called echolocation to find their way in the dark. They send out sound waves that bounce off objects, telling them where things are. And for our final animal, this mammal doesn't fly like a bird, but it glides through the air. It's a flying squirrel. Flying squirrels have a special skin flap between their arms and legs that acts like a parachute, letting them glide from tree to tree. You did an amazing job! How many flying animals did you guess correctly? There are so many wonderful creatures in the sky. Thanks for playing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.